My name is Cameron Chell, CEO of Draganfly. We just recently uplisted to the Nasdaq. DPRO is our symbol, and we couldn't be more thrilled what this means for our company and for our shareholders. Draganfly is the oldest operating commercial drone manufacturer and systems provider in the world. We've been manufacturing drones, software, systems, and AI since 1997. Today, Draganfly services military contractors, public safety organizations, first responders, industrial entities like energy and forestry. We're a full-service operation that can offer the true promise of drones and what they can deliver to the entire commercial market. The drone industry today is projected to go from $20 billion industry to a $40 billion industry in the next 5 to 7 years. What's interesting is that of that 20 billion, the vast majority of it is in the military space, with a small component being consumer and light commercial. Draganfly is focused in that medium and heavy commercial space. An example of a couple of customers that we just recently announced would be Windfall Geotech, which is a geophysical and geological mining company servicing the battery metal space. Now, what we do for them on this $1 million contract is utilize our drones, sensors, our services, and AI to fly magnetometer readings over the properties of their customers and provide back to them not just the magnetometer data, but actually using the AI that we joint developed with Windfall to help develop the exact drill spots or prospects to drill. This is the difference that Draganfly brings. We just don't manufacture a drone. We manufacture drones for specific industries to do specific jobs, right, in a way that other companies can't compete with us. Another example of this would be with cold chain delivery services. Now, cold chain is one of the largest logistics providers to the US government for vaccine delivery and medical equipment delivery. We're standing up a service for them to actually deliver vaccines and medical equipment into emergency response situations, whether it's forest fires, earthquakes, or tornadoes. Drones will be the first responders on scene. Our drones not just deliver the equipment that's needed or the medical supplies that are needed, but actually take the vital signs of the survivors on the ground as they're coming in, providing critical data back to the trucks that are rolling or the boots that are coming in order to provide those emergency services. This is the type of work that we're doing, and this is the future of drones. Now, Draganfly has had incredible growth the last couple of years. We've grown over 200% year over year and 50% in the last 4 quarters alone cumulatively. We see no end in sight for this type of growth, and we think we're well positioned to be the #1 provider of drones and drone services in the North American market. If you'd like to know more about Draganfly and the exciting future that we're helping build, come see us at draganfly.com. That's DRGAN fly.com, or on the Nasdaq at DPRO. Thank you.